Did you know Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not only a messenger but also a loving father? His children witnessed the rise of Islam, faced trials, and left timeless lessons for the entire ummah. In this video, we uncover the authentic stories of the Prophet's sons and daughters based on authentic sources. All of the Prophet's children were born to Khadija radiallahu anha except for Ibn, who was born to Maria al-Qibtiyya radiallahu anha. He had 3 sons, Al-Qasim, Abdullah, and Ibrahim, and 4 daughters, Zainab, Ruqayya, Kulsum, and Fatima. May Allah be pleased with them all. Let's have a look at each one of them. Al-Qasim radiallahu anhu. Al-Qasim was the Prophet's firstborn. Through him, the Prophet earned the title Abu al-Qasim. He passed away in childhood, teaching us that even Allah's most beloved faced the test of losing a child. Zainab radiallahu anha. Zainab was the eldest daughter. She endured separation when her husband initially stayed in Makkah, but her loyalty and patience are remembered as a lesson in faith and family. Ruqayya radiallahu anha. Ruqayya married Usman ibn Affan radiallahu anhu. They were among the first to migrate to Abyssinia for Islam. She passed away during the Battle of Badr. Kulsum radiallahu anha. After Ruqayya's death, Kulsum married Usman radiallahu anhu. This rare honor gave Usman the title Zul Nurain, the possessor of 2 lights. Fatima radiallahu anha. Fatima, the Prophet's beloved daughter, was called the leader of the women of paradise. She inherited the Prophet's compassion and strength, and her lineage continued through Hassan and Hussein. May Allah be pleased with them. Abdullah radiallahu anhu. Abdullah, also called Al-Tahir, passed away in infancy. His short life is a reminder of Allah's decree and patience during loss. Ibrahim radiallahu anhu. Ibrahim was born in Medina. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved him deeply. When Ibrahim died at 18 months, the Prophet wept and said, "The eyes shed tears and the heart grieves, but we do not say except what pleases Allah." From their lives, we learn patience in loss, strength in faith, loyalty in marriage, and love for family. The Prophet's children were human, tested, faithful, and inspiring for every Muslim home. Which of the Prophet's children's story touched you most? Share in the comments and let's revive the seerah together. Don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Islamic history.